everybody, Dutchsinse here, 2:08 p.m. Central Time on Thursday, July 26th, 2012. And we're looking at in telecast. I have the Continental Radar View on, turn on the National Weather Service alerts, and this is Titan Storm Tracking. Now you can see this red triangle indicates a possible tornado detected. That's in the middle of a huge strong cell thunderstorm outbreak. The National Weather Service, all these dark yellow boxes here, has issued multiple severe thunderstorm warnings and watches, which means either imminent on the ground or going to be developing fairly shortly. Now these red boxes up here to the north are tornado watches. Again, keep your eyes peeled for possible tornadoes. And then we do have a tornado warning right here, and that indicates a possible tornado detected, and that's northwest of Harrisburg, heading east-southeast towards Scranton, Pennsylvania. So we do have to watch Pennsylvania, New York, going right up through New England, all the way up to Maine, and all the way south to South Carolina. Anywhere in here, we have hail detected, indicated by the blue boxes. We have strong cell thunderstorms, indicated by the green circles, and then we also have tornadoes and damaging winds throughout the northern part of this storm. Now the rain actually skipped St. Louis earlier. I hope we do get a line of storms here. So far it's been too dry for it to rain, so anywhere down here, even though it shows, hasn't actually been getting that heavy rainfall that it looks like. But to the east, we have hail, strong cell thunderstorms. Now down over Florida, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, we have hail detected, strong cell thunderstorms. That extends west through Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, strong cell thunderstorms. Now also, the rotation on this storm up here over, looks like north Minnesota, coming right out of Canada. Let me just let it play through here. You can see which way it's headed. It's headed now due south by southeast, which means that this low pressure system, which contains snow up here near Calgary, is now going to be intersecting with these 100-degree temperatures down here to the south, and you can expect it that these southern states are going to get some fairly severe weather again, most likely tomorrow, once this storm pulls further south. Okay, it's going to tap into the southern flow again and produce the same outbreak, but further south and east, since the center of the storm is coming south and east. Okay, and the whole time I've been talking here, tornado detected, and let's zoom in and see what's going on down here. A whole line of strong cell thunderstorms and hail detected, and that tornado just popped off. The National Weather Service just moved the warning box, which means that that rotation or that funnel cloud is actually moving, and it's moving, looks like, to the east. So it'll go north of New York, but not by far. I would say that New York down through New Jersey, down through Virginia for sure, will be getting these strong cell thunderstorms into tonight, and then this southern flow, that will take care of the southern states tomorrow, if not late tonight. If you get any confirmation stories on the tornadoes, or the hail, or the damaging winds, let me know, folks. But you can see it, you know your areas where you live. Be prepared for hail, be prepared for that damaging winds, and also be prepared for severe cells into tonight when most people are going to sleep. Much love, folks.